Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. First of all, Shades of Chennai channel wishes you all a very happy new year. I wish you all to stay happy and healthy. Today in Quick Bit segment, we are going to see Phonics book for beginners. I am sharing my experience so that it will be useful to you all. This is Scholastic Bob series and it's also available in Amazon. I have shared the screenshots here. This book has small words which are 3-letter words so that it's easy to blend for the kids. These are small handy books which comes as a set of 12 books. The next book we can introduce is a Spawn Phonics series. These books will be interesting as they have big picture and also few books have flaps in it. Kids will really like flap types of books. This is also available on Amazon and I have attached the screenshot here. This can be introduced to the kids of 4+ age so that they can blend it easily. Reading bedtime stories to the toddlers of 2+ will increase the grasping power and take them to a fantasy world so that they get interested and start to narrate the story seeing the pictures. The books shown in the video are available in Read and Rejoice library. To know more about the library, see my previous videos. Happy reading with your kids. Once again, wish you all a happy new year. Like, comment and share my video. Subscribe to my channel to stay connected. Press the bell icon too. See you all soon in the next interesting video. Bye.